You want to lose weight? Then listen up, because this isn't another fluff-filled video where I tell you just to be consistent and drink more water. No, this is a raw, unfiltered, brutal, honest truth about fat loss, the kind that will either break you or wake you the hell up. This isn't for the weak. This is for the ones who are done lying to themselves, done hiding behind excuses, done scrolling past truth and looking for shortcuts that never work. So if you're tired of being overweight, exhausted by your reflection, and ready to face the uncomfortable truth, this is your wake-up call. Nobody cares. Just work harder. Nobody's coming to save you. Your friends don't really care. Your family might love you, but they're not the ones doing the push-ups for you. You feel bad about your body. That's your burden to fix. Harsh? Maybe. But that's the reality. You waiting for a perfect time, the perfect plan, the perfect motivation. You'll die waiting. You don't need more motivation. You need movement. Discipline over dopamine. Action over analysis. And guess what? You won't feel like it 90% of the time. Do it anyway. You're eating too much. Period. It doesn't matter if it's clean food. You can get fat eating grilled chicken and rice too. If you're eating too damn much of it, stop pretending your metabolism is broken. You're not big boned. You just snack mindlessly. You pour cereal like a maniac. You drink calories like they don't count. Newsflash, they do. You don't need keto. You don't need carnivore. You don't need to fast for 72 hours. You need to track what the hell you're eating. Stop eyeballing, measure, weigh, log. Treat calories like currency. If you spend $10 on junk food every meal, don't cry when you're broke and bloated. You're addicted to food. Food isn't just fuel for you. It's an escape. It's your therapist. It's your comfort. It's your celebration. Your band-aid for every emotional wound. And you think that's normal. It's not. You eat because you're bored. You eat because you're sad. You eat because you deserve it. No. What you deserve is to not live like a prisoner to your cravings. Break the addiction. Understand your triggers. Identify your emotional patterns, or stay stuck in a loop of self-destruction. You're weak because you never let yourself struggle. You had it too easy. The moment you feel a little hungry, you panic and you eat. The second a workout gets tough, you quit. The minute the progress slows, you look for the next magic plan. You never embrace the suffering, the boredom. And without struggle, there's no strength. Without pain, there's no pride. Stop avoiding discomfort. Start chasing it. That's where the real transformation actually happens. Most people will stay fat forever. Don't be one of them. That's right. Most people won't change. They'll stay the same. They'll scroll on TikTok for dopamine hits, eat fast food 3 times a week, and cry about how nothing works. Do you want to be most people? Or do you want to be dangerous, capable, respected by yourself? You don't need more tips. You need to decide. Decide that this isn't the life you were willing to tolerate anymore. There are no off days when you're losing weight. You think weekends are cheat days. Holidays are permission to binge. You earned it after a hard week. That's why you're stuck. You think you need balance, but balance is earned. You can't balance a lifestyle you haven't built yet. Until you wear where you want to be, every meal, every rep, every choice matters. This isn't punishment. It's focus. Lock in. Cardio isn't a punishment. It's a weapon. You hate cardio because you see it as a chore. That's because your mindset is broken. Cardio is a tool. It's not about the treadmill. It's about conditioning your mind to do what sucks before it builds discipline. Go walk for 45 minutes. Don't bring your phone. Just think, sweat, breathe. It become a better version of you with every step. You're not fat because of genetics. You're fat because of habits. Yes, genetics play a role, but they aren't the damn judge and jury. Your habits is what make your body, not your bloodline. You skip workouts. You eat like trash. You sleep like garbage. You scroll on TikTok for 5 hours and call it rest. Don't blame your parents for the belly you built on DoorDash. Fix your habits and watch your body change. You're too focused on motivation, not systems. Motivation is a liar. It'll ghost you the second things get hard. But systems, they stay. Set alarms. Pack your meals. Schedule workouts like business meetings. Build systems so solid that even on your worst days, you'll still execute. If you quit again, you'll stay miserable. You've quit before, and every time it took a piece of your pride. You want to lose fat? Then make this the last time you start over. Burn the old version of you. Commit like your life depends on it, because it does. You'll either break the cycle or live in regret. It's your choice.